This year, 2017, seems to be a year of great blessings. Not only has Ghana celebrated her 60th anniversary of independence, the entire Catholic world is celebrating 100 years of the apparitions of Our Lady of Fatima, which took place in Portugal from the 13th of May 1917 through 6 months to the 13th of October 1917. So in order to celebrate these apparitions, where Mary, the mother of Jesus, appeared to 3 children to ask them to pray for the salvation of souls, to fast for the salvation of souls, and to do good works for the salvation of souls. Our Archdiocese, especially the Diocesan Youth Center, is undertaking, together with Christ the King Parish, an all-night program beginning on the 12th of May, Friday, to the 13th of May. It will be an activity of prayer, an activity of adoration of the Blessed Sacrament, an activity of testimonies, an activity of silent, participation with Mother Mary in the salvation of souls. And so we would like to invite all the young people who would like to be at Christ the King Grotto, starting from the evening program about 5:30 right through the whole night to the following morning, Saturday the 13th of May, so that we can also pray for the salvation of souls worldwide. We can pray especially for the young people in our Archdiocese. We can pray for our dear country Ghana. We can pray for world peace. I'd like to invite as many of you as possible to be present. And remember, it is our duty to pray for peace in our world. Yes, the world still needs Mary as a mother who is concerned with the salvation of souls, and especially with the peaceful development of countries. God bless you.